Beats me, bro.
I was there for a month and we tripping.
Morning.
Okay, we're in the closet, where at?
It's in the pantry. In the kitchen. The green pantry, the tall one. That's the polyurethane in there.
Okay, so you want the poly? I'll leave the glaze here. It's a little bit of poly. It's enough to do something.
Yeah, it's enough to do the countertops for sure. Yeah. Man, I like these things. We gotta do more stains, bro. I like the way that came out. That came out real good. And it matched that floor. He said he got a fan, but it ain't. Where is it at? Ain't no damn fan up. Okay. I'm trying to get the floor epoxy too. Who want to drive all the way back here then walk? Somebody. Hold on, let me get my dog. Well, not my dog, the dog. Where you at, Marlo? Oh, he done found a friend. I brought the tile. You want it? Excuse me. Yeah, it's in the trunk. It's in the trunk, bro. You see the vanity I brought in the basement?
Where's the vanity?
Put it in the bathroom.
Oh, it's in the basement?
Yeah. Yeah, it's in the basement. Got your new haircut, huh? Oh, the paint in there too. Oh yeah, nice. Yes, cool beans. I like it. Beautiful. Oh yeah, and the floor did it here. Okay. I like this color. What's up? What am I looking at?
And the wall, where's the thermostat?
What's that?
What do you mean that was that? There's your paint, the one that you said was the same as the walls. And I told you it wasn't.
So where's it at? You still got some?
Yeah.
A lot?
Like this much?
Oh well, you can. Well, this must be. Well, this the color I brought.
What's this one?
This it? Oh, you got a lot left, but I got the right color. They gave me the wrong color. That's what it was.
That's for Kilburn, this one.
Yeah, they gave me the wrong color. This is pearly white. But I got the right color in the car. I'll go get it.
No, that's not gonna pay. I pay somebody take it.
How much they want? How much?
350.
That ain't bad, I guess. All of this?
Yeah. So you put the stairs, the banister on it.
It ain't no back door.
Why it ain't a back door?
It's a back door? Oh, it's a back door. Oh, it's going to the bedroom. Nah, man, just put some steps. Ain't no steps. You gotta put some steps. What you mean? What's wrong with you?
That's what I'm asking you. Cause you ain't
I ain't even see it. I never.
seen this door.
It's covered.
I mentioned it before.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh, that's a praying mantis. That's a big one. Go ahead and get it. 250 pounds scared of the bug. But anyway, yeah. The steps 100 a piece. Here's something.
Oh yeah?
What's up?
What do you think? How's it look?
What am I looking at? The tile?
No?
Oh,
You
the,
looking good?
yeah, it looks good. I like it.
It make a difference or not?
Yeah, it makes it look more luxurious. Nice.
So you made that?
No, it came with it.
Oh.
We found out if you buy this kind, it's cheaper than the sink base. You just take the sink out or take the drawer out. You feel me? You don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. You put one here and the other one here, 2 in each side. and then you lay the
Plexiglass.
okay, and then as soon as it's there, you put some copper on. It's good to go.
That's what I just said.
Well, let me just ask you, if we go get some glass or plexi, you can put it in?
If you get glass,
No.
it's gonna be a pain in the ass. So I gotta take the glass from outside, I gotta take it out, and then I gotta.
And you can risk it breaking. The other ones.
Even if you're gonna take the rest from the hardware here, get break.
So get some plexi.
Yeah.
Which is what we did on Auto Drive.
I don't remember.
When she broke the side door, your girl, you look like what you call it, the basketball player, something Jackson.
Not Steven Jackson.
Steven Jackson.
Steven Jackson a long time ago.
Just look like Steven Jackson. Hold on, let me show you, Jerry. Hold on, this is funny.
Oh yeah, yes sir.
That's his cousin, ain't it?
Yeah.
Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga.
That's true. Look at that. Monk said that, man.
You talking about her, brother?
15, 20 years ago, he said
Oh,
that.
damn.
He said that. You like Steven Jackson.
Yeah, you look just like.
You the second person I ever heard that from.
What is that? I don't remember that being on the floor.
Yeah. Exactly.
That can come up though, I think. I don't remember that though.
Now, shoot.
I mean, I think that'll come up though. Hold on, let me write it down.
You see that?
Yeah,
It's good mopping.
it'll come up. Yeah, just put some goof off. Goof off, get that.
Say it again.
Yeah, he got a pen. Write it down. Just send me a picture of it. Jerry, you gotta tell your guy that's gonna be white. Bathroom.
Tú, Chucho, ese baño no lo hagas porque lo vamos a pintar blanco. ¿Oh no? Ya lo iba a pintar ya, no.
You don't go.
What you think?
Because he got that gray right there.
It's gonna be this color all over. White, gloss white bathroom. We boom, we good. Flat ceiling. What you mean? Come on, man, stop playing with me. Where's the light for this? The switch for this light. Oh, right there. Right there. Yeah, this gotta be it. Okay, there we go. There we go. The fan. Yeah. It's like the house. See the fan like the one on Kilborn?
That's pretty.
Oh, that's sturdy. I don't need the brackets. We're good. We good. We look good though. Definitely look good. This might be in the way though. I might need to move this to the corner or something. So, cause the table, once you put the table here, a nigga ain't gonna be able to sit down really. I don't know. I might be overthinking it, but.
He kept this whole thing, huh?
Yeah, I was like, you know what? It go with the theme of the house. You know, the wood look, so I just ended up telling them to keep it. Yeah. You don't gotta put no C-rink down if it's already a tile.
Why didn't you keep that?
The tile?
Yeah.
Cause it's on the edges, it's just concrete. You can't really tell cause it's dirty, but right here, this is just concrete.
I just put a border on there.
Yeah, it could.
Day.
It could.
That room is that, you know what I mean? And then you go up, and then that's
There's a lot of houses that got doors in the back,
Yeah, that's
inside of a home.
to do that out here.
Kitchen. Oh, that's wet. She just did that.
So I had them like little stuff in those cracks and stuff. I had
Oh,
them clean up,
okay.
like back here. Get that stuff that was off the house.
Oh.
They got all that stuff that was over there.
Oh, they kept the. Oh wow, I wouldn't have never known. Whose ladder?
Mine.
That ain't your ladder.
It is. I told him to put it on the side of the garage like that.
No cracks.
Yeah, man.
No cracks in the back either.
Put some respect on his name. Yeah.
What you got a ladder for?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm a handyman.
He said I'm a handyman. Hey dog, I think I'm gonna take these.
And they did little stuff over here. They took some of the stuff down. I was like, they ain't got to take all of it down, but they took. I see gutters is missing.
Ooh.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
see that.
I don't know if this guy gonna do the electrical, but I figure once they done here, we could just have Joe.
I was
do it.
thinking the same thing, cause
Yeah, once you list
at least
it.
we know he know what he doing.
Who, Joe?
Exactly. He called me too. He was like,
We got into it the other day. Me and him got into it the other day.
Secret Dakota done did his thing. Okay. Still a little wet. Oh, that's dry. Nice and clean. This floor just dirty.
What's this? Oh, the floor.
The floor.
One can't use the whole house.
It should. It's not like you sanding it. You just polishing it. Only reason you would need more is because you got a bare floor is gonna soak up some of it. This is just going on top.
One of those schools?
He didn't feel well, and so told him to stay home. Since he stayed home, he wanted to stay home. It's a package deal. You feel me? What are you gonna do? What am I gonna do? Did he use it?
Dad, this house looks like it's already made.
Oh, yeah, because they did the work. Oh my God.
And my nose hurt.
You alright? Let me go get you some tissue. Oh, here goes some right here. Hold this.
Do I just use that? Or do I just
This
hold?
pad, it might be. Here. Clean those. Bruh. Yeah. Question. Thank you. You need the whole thing for the shower or just the knobs?
Just the knobs.
Okay. So you don't need these 3 little things hanging out?
Yeah, this one's it. I need them. Yeah. This one's no, because we have them. We just need the knobs.
Oh, okay. All right. You done? Go put it in the toilet.
It's bleeding or what?
Nah, he's a runny nose.
Oh.
You need to be drinking your tea. You ain't even been drinking it. Probably got to get something to clean these floors. Or,
All you have to do is just mop.
right.
What are you gonna do with all this paint?
I'm gonna take it to
To the shop.
Liberal. Let me put it in his truck. Let me see where he go. You gonna take this paint to Liberal? It's like six 5-gallon buckets.
2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13.
What color is it?
It's mostly white. What color is it? Is it all white? Oh, it's all different colors.
We need to touch up that garage spot that he what that gray is this?
Oh yeah, we need the gray for the garage.
What?
Cause he tuck pointed the crack and he gotta go back over it with some paint. But I seen it somewhere.
And then was a room in the basement. I don't know if they got it yesterday. I mean,
You gotta
closet there was.
come show me. Come see. So it's almost 2 inches. What? That's underneath. Yeah, they do. That's a no. Get this some right there.
What does that mean for the floor?
Clean that spot.
I need to go get my measuring tape.
You got one? I just seen one upstairs. Hold on.
Oh yeah, it is one upstairs.
Oh, I thought you might want to keep them. So you need, oh, there's bricks right there too. But those look like they buried.
Yeah.
That's the only bricks. So I guess you got to move the ones from the front. You ain't tired, is you?
Hell yeah.
He's silly. You're right. Is that the same color? That paint?
No.
Oh, it's not. Well, it's close enough, I guess.
You painted that?
No,
He did.
We did.
you must have just did it. What happened to this color? Ain't no more?
It looks like that because it's the everything got two coats, but that one is fresh concrete. That's why it looks like that.
Oh, so it'll change a little bit.
Yeah, it's gonna change a little bit,
Okay.
and I believe it's still this.
It looked wet, but I don't know. It's kind of hot out here.
Yeah.
Ya aviento un suspiro. Y está rebanando de ahí. Déjala para acá. ¿Dónde?
Acá poquitito.
Mimoso,
Hermoso.
hermoso, magnifico.
Nosotros nos metemos enfrente
Sí.
y llamamos.
You're a young man.